Yeah, I just finished taking my bath and I decided to drop this video because I have promised that every Wednesday and Friday I'll be dropping this video, and the time here is 10 o'clock a.m. Welcome to Lifestyle of Mildred. My name is Ifeoma Mildred. I'm a Nigerian and I'm also a student. My channel is about lifestyle, food, DIY, and personal. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 7 apps all students must have. 7 best apps all students must have. Yeah, and make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you watch the end of this video because also I'm going to be telling you guys the uses of those apps, why you should get those apps, and the importance of those apps. Yeah. Subscribe, like, and share. Let's get started.
Drive is both free for iOS and Android, and it helps to save and store all your documents online so that your work will be safe. You can also work offline and collaborate with documents with your classmates. Mathway is also free for both iOS and Android, and it's one of the best apps for students who uses math. All you have to do is put in your math problem and Mathway will solve it for you, and it also gives you a detailed step-by-step guide to find the solution. That's the importance of Mathway. So if you're a math student, you need a Mathway to help you solve your math problem. Forest is a time management app which is also free for both iOS and Android, and which takes a creative approach towards helping you stay focused and leave your phone alone while studying. Yeah, this app is very useful and it's time management. Motion is a free app, web browser extension that will block distracting sites including Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, removing the temptation to click on them while you are studying. It's a very ultimate study companion. Like, Motion is a very good app and is also free for both iOS and Android. Office Lens is useful for capturing complex drawing diagram, and it's also free for both iOS and Android. My Homework Student Planner. From the name, you know that it's a digital student planner that lets you track your classes, homework, tests, and projects so you will not forget to do your assignments again. Those of you that usually forget to do your assignments, this is one of the best apps for you. It helps you to track your homework, your tests, and your projects. Yeah, the last but not the least, and hope you guys are enjoying this video, Oxford Dictionary helps you to research for words and also help you to learn spellings, and it's also notify you once any new word comes out.
I hope you enjoyed that video. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, like, and share. Yeah, I need you guys support. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share if you want to be seeing more of this. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. And have a lovely day. Have a lovely weekend. Bye guys. I love you.